Yeah, this fish. Woo! Man, he did take some line or what? Yeah, boy. Love it. Woo! That is a speed demon. So I've already dressed the fish, which means you've taken out all the guts. I've actually taken out the gills as well. It's very bloody. I did bleed it upon capture and put it in a nice slurry with salt water. The thing about tuna, when you fillet it, do not rinse it in fresh water. So just keep it as it is. So first thing to do, I'm going to try and cut around the collar. Cut across the side of the head here. Okay, so it's on an angle. You can see that meat's nice and wide already. So turn it around. Oh, hang on. This knife is very sharp. Turn it around. Wow, this knife really just carved through that. Got some bones here, I don't want to. So what I'm going to do is actually cut it right here and cut the fish into different loins. You have the top bit and the bottom bit. Right, so that's just coming off nice and easy, that one. Just come off nice and easy. There you have it. That's one loin. Now this bit here is the blood line with a bit of bone. I'm going to cut that through after I take this loin off. Beautiful looking fish. Right, so I've already done that. I already stuffed it up. Nice. Keep this aside. I'm going to come down here. Okay, there you go. There's still a bloodline there. I'll just very carefully carve it. That's beautiful. Beautiful loin of tuna. And we'll skin it and cut it into little steaks. Okay, that's great. A little bit of skin left here. Okay, now it's time to cook up this beautiful fresh tuna. Got a nice loin here. This is the top loin. I'm just going to cut it into big pieces. Look at that beautiful fresh piece. You can see it's very fresh. It's nice pink. You see the grain of the tuna there. Absolutely lovely piece of fish. Now I'm going to do a really typical Italian tuna dish. Let's get into it. Chopped up onion, garlic, tomato, parsley, tuna, fry pan, salt, olive oil, oregano, and there's one more recipe which I'm just going to quickly grab right now. Beautiful olive oil. I'm actually going to just sear the tuna first, seal it on either side. Salt. take it off a little bit. Put on the onions, turn the heat down, plus the garlic. So I've just sliced one of these cubes, and I've seen it that with the tuna, if you just sit it on the other side, leave a bit of a pink bit, it keeps it nice and tender and moist. I'm just going to try this. Yeah, that's really soft and tasty. I'm not too fussed about that raw bit. It is still cold, but the outside's warm. That is beautiful, just as it is. Really nice. Chuck in tomatoes. More oil. Fresh tomato. Get in some parsley. Some sliced up black olives. Now the dish does say you can add capers, but that's one thing I can't stand. So I'm going to keep it like this. Taste test for the salt. Bit of salt, touch of oregano. Now we're going to put in our tuna. Let it finish off cooking in the sauce. Might dry out this way. I've actually got so much of this tuna, I think I might cook enough for the rest of the week. So I'll put in the raw ones in first. That's how you meant to do it, but I thought I'd sear these ones first, but I'll put this in later on so it won't dry out too much. Absolutely divine. Okay, so these ones have caught up. Going pretty good. I'll throw these others to finish off. I think I needed a bit bigger pot, bigger pan. Okay, to top it off, a bit of chili, a bit of black pepper. Bon appetit. Okay, so there you have it, a nice big juicy tuna piece in the sauce with the tomato and the olives. Excuse the hands. Nice and hot, there you go, nice and white flesh. It's not overly cooked. Oh, that is delicious. That is soft and tender, and you can really taste the tuna. It is a heavy fish. I did bleed it, but this way here you'll have no problems at all. Right. Bit more sauce on that. Bon appetit. If you like the show, subscribe, like it, And we'll see you next time. La faccia mia. Fish taco, fish taco, fish taco, man. Fish taco, the fish taco, man.